All right, we just got back from Jennie's Ruby experience. We got to hear her album performed live. I went with Hedgen, my friend Carol, and a bunch of friends. We had a good time. And now it's time to see the music video of Like Jennie. We saw it live. That shit was crazy. First of all, shout out to Jennie. Sweetheart. Put her all on that stage. The dancers killed that ish. But I don't think I'm ready for this music video. So without further ado, do we need captions? I guess we can have captions. I think it's a full English song. Without further ado, let's get into this. Let's go. Let's begin. Play my intro. All right, be sure to check out the Patreon. Hey, yo, be sure to subscribe to my Patreon. You can either be a free member or subscribe for $1. Support your boy. Check out all the first listens over here. If any music video gets blocked, I'll be sure to upload it here for free. Just finished all of XO Kitty, waiting for season 3 though. We got a lot of stuff and a lot more coming, so come through, subscribe, and become a member now. And I'll probably post my full album reaction on there. And if this gets blocked here, I'll post it for free on Patreon. So be sure to follow over there. And without further ado, let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Bah! Oh, we in space? Hold up. Why are we in space? Oh. What is that? J? Oh, that's J. I thought it was a bean. Like a cashew. Oh. Damn. That was... Is she opening a new candy? Oh, that's fire. Oh, what is this production? Hold up. Hold up. Turn that up. Turn that up.
Come on, it's gonna be fucking hard.
Wait. The Hello Kitty bruh? Oh, hell nah. We not ready. Oh, they got a bunch of dance. Hold up. Ooh, crowd. Oh, okay. Yeah. Jennie, hey. Don't Boris, take it to the chorus. Hold up. Boris, take it to the chorus. Ooh, gonna rock with Jennie. Jennie. Like Jennie. Bruh. This is such a performance music video. Performance in general. Ooh, that shot. Jennie. Yeah. Ooh. Bah. Okay, dancers. Oh, is that Vata? One of the dancers? Whoa. Hey. Oh, she bringing that energy, yo. Ah. Get up. Yeah. Oh, shoot. Oh, this is... The dance is actually, I mean, just like the live. I mean, she killing it. Especially her dancing live while rapping live was crazy. Oh, hell no. Hold up. Gonna rock with Jennie. Like Jennie. Ooh, Jennie. Ooh. Bah. Jennie. True. Haters, you'll never be like Jennie. That's why you hate on Jennie. Okay, dancers. Okay, with a thrusting. Ooh, like in a whole pyramid triangle. Ooh, outfit change. Yeah. I mean, I just saw you tonight, girl. Oh, okay, glitching. Wait. Oh, it does, like, oh, she glitched out. She burning out. Oh, Jennie, you on fire. And you turned into a capybara. What the hell just happened? Is she a capybara this whole time? Aww. Hold up. My God, Jennie. Oh, bro. She's always just stepping it up. I can't. If there's going to be another music video. I mean, since the freaking beginning, look at Damn, she padded up. Into like the next stage. The little Jennie jelly bean candy, it looks like. She looked good though too. She slayed that ish. Her hair, nails, everything. Ooh, those nude nails. Nude colored nails. Oh, she locked in. The pants? The outfit? So that's literally the outfit from the beginning. Okay. I see, I see.
Come on, it's gonna be fucking hard.
Come on, it's gonna be fucking hard. Oh, the hat too with all the pins. I'm so already. I'm sorry to be staring there, but the Hello Kitty bra is crazy. Oh, the necklace too. Wait, special edition. Your AI copy. Okay. I'm leaving clues in the fitting room.
I'm leaving clues in the
Fitting room in this hot tea.
No, I'm not thinking about no exes. No, they
Miss me.
got the whole room spinning
Like it's tipsy. That's fire. Don't, Boris. Take it to the chorus. Wanna rock with Jennie.
Keep your head down, nails done like
Jennie.
I'm obsessed like
Jennie. While she was performing this live, she was like pointing at God. Jennie. Bruh.
Haters that don't really like Jennie, cause they can never ever be Jennie. But have you ever met
Sheesh. Put a comment down below what you guys think of like Jennie. Be sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Follow the Patreon if you haven't already. Link in the description down below. I'll post more content there. Also, I will talk about my experience at the Ruby experience, the Jennie album listening, performance, concert show, whatever you want to call it. It was amazing. It was at the Peacock Theater. I went day 1. I'm not going to go to day 2, but shoot. This was just an experience, y'all. But I'll share that video later. I got a bunch of footage. First listen album coming out sometime soon. Probably on Patreon as well. Be sure to check that out. And yeah, leave your comments and your thoughts in the comment section down below. And I'll see you guys to the next video. All right, y'all. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Hey, yo, be sure to subscribe to my Patreon. You can either be a free member or subscribe for $1. Support your boy. Check out all the first listens over here. If any music video gets blocked, I'll be sure to upload it here for free. Just finished all of XO Kitty, waiting for season 3 though. We got a lot of stuff and a lot more coming, so come through, subscribe, and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.